By the end of this video, you will know how to invite friends on eToro. Start from your eToro account home screen. Look to the left sidebar and find Rewards. Click Rewards to open the section where eToro places referral and promotion details. If the page takes a moment to load, wait until the Rewards area is fully visible before moving on. Once you are in Rewards, look for the section labeled Share Your Link. This is where your personal invitation link appears. The link shown there is tied to your account, so make sure you are viewing the correct account before you copy or share anything. You do not need to create a new link here. You are just locating the one already assigned to you inside the rewards page. When you can see the referral link, move to the copy button beside it. Click copy to place that link on your clipboard. After you do that, the invitation link is ready to paste into a message, email, or any other method you want to use to send it to your friends. Before you share it, make sure you copy the full referral link from the reward section and not a different page address from your browser. Now send that copied link to the friends you want to invite. You can share it using the communication method you prefer, as long as the exact referral link is what they receive and open. The important part is that your friends use your copied invitation link when they begin the registration process. If they use a different route to sign up, the referral may not be linked correctly to your account. After they receive the link, your friends need to open it and register for eligible eToro accounts. The account they create must meet the eligibility conditions tied to the referral promotion. Registration by itself is not the final requirement, so keep in mind that the process continues after the account is created. Next, your friends must complete the promotion requirements listed in the terms and conditions. That means they need to make the required deposit and complete the required investment activity stated in that promotion. This part matters because rewards are only issued when the full set of conditions has been met. If the promotion has specific qualifying actions or limits, those need to be completed exactly as stated in the terms and conditions. Once your friends have registered through your link and completed the required deposit and investment activity, the reward process happens automatically. Eligible rewards are credited after all required conditions have been satisfied. You do not need to manually claim the reward from the referral page if the promotion terms have been met correctly. Your referral link is now copied, shared, and ready to qualify for an automatic eToro reward once the promotion requirements are completed.